like, okay.
You see it? Yeah. Yeah. I found a baby bird. He's at Home Depot. And he lost his mommy. He's so sad. See him?
She sees him.
Yeah, he can move around a little bit. See, he can almost stand. I don't know. I don't really know how old he is. I got him to eat a little bit ago, so that was kind of neat. I don't understand why he's still chirping. But I thought I fed him enough, and he's still chirping. He's making all kinds of noise. He's making all kinds of noise.
The Wildlife Bird Sanctuary said, do not attempt to feed.
Did it really?
Yes.
Well, like, how many hours can they go without eating?
I have no idea. But we bought that stupid formula, and we, like, did it to temperature, and that woman's done it before, so...
Yeah, I think we did a good job. They just don't think people are going to do a good job.
Yeah, but 8 a.m., buddy. They open. So we should leave the house at 7 a.m.
Look how scary I am.
Yeah, I got their phone numbers.
It's like really menacing. I have to make some kind of nest for him, some kind of makeshift nest.
Oh, yeah, they had instructions on the website.
Oh, did they really?
Let's go upstairs. Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to make a nest for him now.
Bye.
Bye, Alice.